Meet Thor here at North Central Animal Shelter. Thor is a 3-year-old male Akita Labrador Retriever mix. He has been here at the shelter since November 12th, and I'm going to have his handler Carrie here say a few things about this lovely dog.
Thor is, as you can see, an absolutely majestic, gorgeous, large dog. Very handsome, people-friendly, playful, really friendly when you meet him at his kennel. We highly recommend an experienced handler for him because of his size and because he does need some training. And we recommend he's also the only dog in the home. He is a little reactive around other dogs. That doesn't mean he wouldn't make a great pet for the right person who can introduce him properly, do training with them. Because as you can see, everything about him is, he's stunning. Loves people, very smart, bright, alert dog. You know, he's accepting affection, and as I said, whenever I go to his kennel, he's happy to jump up and get a pet. So we're hoping the right person can come and give this gorgeous, gorgeous guy a home. How long has he been in the shelter?
November 12th.
He arrived on November 12th, so he's ready to go into a home and get all the exercise, love, and attention he deserves. Good boy. That's Thor. Good boy. Good boy. And he's got a nice tail wag there. Good boy.